Hello po, good po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsa Bache, and I'm an accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, itutour ko kayo sa aming 2-bedroom unit na 65 square meters. Okay po? Okay po, so ngayon ito right now, nandito ako sa labas. So this one is our 2-bedroom unit na, yung 2-bedroom unit natin na 65 square meters. Okay, so upon the entrance, so standard. So upon entering, so on the left side, so this is the living area. Living area and yung dining area natin. Okay, and then while on the other side, sa right side natin is yung kitchen area natin. Okay? So, dito po sa kitchen area natin. So, sa kitchen, included na yung mga kitchen cabinets natin and granite countertop. So, this one is an upgraded model unit. So, kaya may mga pin lights. And then, meron ng naka-install na range hood. And then, yung electric range natin dyan. Okay? So, makita ninyo napaka-luwag. Maluwag po ito pong ano natin dito. Ito pong kitchen area natin dito. And then on the other side, same lang din. Yung katapat niya, nandiyan ng refrigerator natin and another countertop. Okay. Pero meron tayong sariling window doon. While on the other side, so ito naman yung ano natin, dining area. Okay. So, for the dining area, so medyo maluwag rin siya. Kasi this one is a 65 square meters, including the balcony. Okay, and then ito yung living area natin. Well, ito, nandito yung toilet and bath. And then yung storage natin para sa washing machine. So, tara, pasok tayo sa toilet and bath. So, if you will go inside the toilet and bath. Ayan. So, fittings and fixtures natin kasama. Again, this one is an upgraded unit po. Okay. Tingnan natin yung sink natin. Ayan. Dito yung shower area. So, dito kulang na lang is yung enclosure po natin. So, we go out again. So, this is the living area. Napakaluwag. And then yung dining area natin. Alright. And then dito po ngayon ang same with other development natin. Yung second bedroom natin, sliding door. Okay. So pero yung partition niya, ayan, gypsum board pa rin yung partition natin dito. So, dito naman, may option ka dito, upon turnover, pwede mo i-request kung hindi nyo gusto yung sliding door, pwede nyo naman siya palitan. So, lahat po ito pwede for approval for any changes. And then, ayun yung balcony natin. So, dito makikita natin yung malaki na yung balcony natin. And malaki rin na rin yung window natin for the bedroom side. For the balcony area. Okay. And then the next one is itong master bedroom natin na napakalaki. Ayan, tingnan po ninyo. Okay. Ayan. So napakalaki ng bedroom area natin dito. Tapos ito rin yung may access kay balcony. So punta tayo sa balcony. So dito sa balcony, ganito rin yung sample natin for the glass balcony. And ang lawak, wow, ang haba po ng ano natin, ng balcony natin. Sobrang malaki talaga compared sa 2-bedroom unit na 56 square meters natin. Kung titignan ninyo, ang lawak, ang laki ng lalakaran. And also, yung laki ng window natin. Okay, ito yung balcony door natin. Malaki siya talaga. Malaki po siya. There. O, diba? Laki. So, ayan. So, ito po yung 2-bedroom unit natin na 65 square meters. Wherein, dito meron kay The Valeron Towers. And, pwede siguro natin itong i-compare kagaya ng kay ano po, kay Fairlane. Okay? Pero kay Fairlane kasi, ang biggest, I think kay Fairlane is 62 square meters. Okay? So, parang ganito rin kalaki yung model unit natin, yung mga units natin doon. Okay? So, pero pinakamalaki pa rin dito kay Valeron. So, so, magsisimula siya sa 60, 66, 65. Tapos, later on, ipapakita ko yung ibang sizes naman ng 2-bedroom natin. Meron tayong 84 square meters dito. Okay? So that wrap ups my tour for 4-hour 2-bedroom unit dito po kay The Valeron Tower na 65 square meters. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandyan yung numbers ko po naka-flash sa screen. Okay? You may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay? And please don't forget also to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube, na-notify po kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.